Welcome back to Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life. It is now time to speed things up in the appropriately named Katie Quiz Speed Round. This is a round where 10 questions are prepared for each team. However, each team only has 60 seconds to answer as many of the questions as they can. We award 10 points for a correct answer. There are no deductions for incorrect answers or passes in this round. Up first is our team from North Catholic High School, and I should mention all three teams will be competing under the category of biology, so all your questions have to deal with that. And North Catholic, your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. How many cells does a bacterium have?
1.
A damaging immune response by the body to a substance to which it has become hypersensitive.
Autoimmune.
No. What are the tiny openings in skin called?
Pores.
Primary organs of the human respiratory system.
Lungs.
The basic body form of an anthrozoan is?
Pass.
What is the natural compound present in green plants that gives them their color?
Chlorophyll.
What is the one important function for which most amphibians return to water?
Breathing.
No. Name the 60,000-mile network of tubular channels in the human body.
Veins.
All cellular metabolism is controlled by organic catalysts, which are called?
Enzymes.
And time is up. With that, you said autoimmune for the second one. The answer provided to me was allergy, but the judges are going to accept autoimmune. So that means you went 7 for 10 in that round, adding 70 points to your score, taking you up to 375. Very nicely done, North Catholic. Up next is our team from Trinity Christian School, and Trinity Christian, you two will be competing under the category of biology, and your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Name of the scientist who developed the theory of evolution.
Darwin.
What's the name of the process by which plants reproduce?
Pass.
Which one-celled creature's name means first animal?
Protist.
No. What's the rarest blood type?
O negative.
No. Plasmolysis occurs when a plant cell shrinks due to the loss of what?
Water.
What secretes epinephrine?
Glands.
Which gland?
Pituitary gland.
No. When the bicep contracts, what muscle relaxes?
Triceps.
The conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates through the action of bacteria in the soil is known as what?
Pass.
What is the white area of the eye called?
Cornea.
No. What's the motor fibers of nerve cells? And time is up. With that, you added 30 points to your score, and that takes you, Trinity Christian School, up to 295 points. Finally up, we have our team from Quaker Valley. Biology is the topic, and your 60-second clock is going to begin in 3, 2, 1. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis?
Oxygen.
What organ produces bile to aid in fat digestion?
Stomach.
No. Name the shallow dish used to grow microorganisms, named for its inventor.
Petri dish.
Term for when all members of a species die out.
Extinction.
In humans, what nervous system controls all glands, the blood vessels, and the heart?
Central nervous system.
No. What do insects do through their spiracles?
Breathe.
What do we call the thick-walled digestive organ of a bird used for grinding?
Pass.
What class of vertebrate animals has a member that undergoes metamorphosis?
Insect.
No. Any of a group of spore-producing organisms feeding on organic matter. And time is up. With that, you added 40 points to your score, taking you up to 345 on the day. Nice job, Quaker Valley. We never like to slow it down after the speed round, so let's jump right into Katie Quiz Math Time. This is a round where we have 2 math-based questions for each of the teams. 20 points is awarded for a correct answer. We deduct 20 points for any incorrect answers or passes in this round. North Catholic, you are up first, And here is your first math time question. Given the vector 6, 8, what is the magnitude of the vector?
2.
10 was the answer we were looking for on that one. Here's your next question. What value of x will make the equation shown true? And we want your answer in degrees.
180.
180, that's a really good guess, but we were looking for 30 on that one. Unfortunately, we have to knock some points off. That takes you to 335 with the scoring. Up next, we have our team from Trinity Christian School. Here is your first math time question. A sphere has a volume of 36 pi cubic units. What is the radius of the sphere?
3.
3 is correct. Very nicely done. Here is your next math time question. Which of the numbers shown in the set are classified as irrational?
Pi and the square root of 5.
Pi and the square root of 5 is correct. Very nicely done. That means you got both correct. That adds 40 points to your score, and that takes you up to 335. Very nicely done, Trinity. Up next is our team from Quaker Valley, and Quaker Valley, here is your first math time question. Evaluate the expression shown.
-3.
That is correct. Nicely done. Finally, solve the logarithmic expression shown.
X equals 100.
That is correct. And with that, you added 40 points to your score, and that takes you up to 385 on the day. And what we have is a very close matchup going into our final round where huge point swings are possible. It's a round we call more or less, and it's coming up right after this.